In primetime news this evening,
ministerial interference. OCG's report on sale of UDC's Ocho Rios property suggests Daryl Vaz had a hand in the questionably low sale price. Distortionary. Parliamentary committee blasts Petrojam for how fuel prices are determined. And Prime Minister declares states of emergency out west.
The situation now currently exists would warrant the government advising the Governor General to proclaim a state of public emergency.
But will it yield the results this time round?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, Jamaica's fiscal resilience will be getting a boost as the World Bank has pledged millions of US dollars to the economy. I'll give you the details in the business day.
And from Herman to Spencer Darlington with What's Up in Sports.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the Red Stripe Premier League final was contested at the National Stadium last night, but I tell you what, the occasion was overshadowed by some chaotic and farcical scenes. We'll tell you all about it later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the regular feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the government's decision to declare a state of emergency in Western Jamaica?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.